The final menu available in our main menu bar is the Help menu. Now, I'm not going to go step by step and show you what each one of these do, because really the name of them pretty much gives you a good enough idea of what you got. But your first one is About Unity, and this is going to give you your particular serial number as well as the credits for Unity 3 in this case. You can enter your serial number if you need to register your copy of Unity. We have access to the documentation from here as well, and this is very useful if you don't want it to, jump down to a web browser and actually try to navigate over to the site. We could, for instance, go ahead and open up the reference manual, and it opened it up off the screen in my particular case. So if I reach over here and boom, there you go. You see we're grabbing the local copy of the documentation that came along with Unity. So you can quickly get to that. There's What's New pages. You can quickly jump to the forum or go over to Unity Answers. You can give them feedback, check for updates, report a bug, basically anything that you might need to do that is involved with community outreach or getting any answers or documentation for Unity is all available here inside the help file. So that wraps up all of the different menus for the main menu bar, and it also wraps up this video. Thanks a lot.